Hi guys, this is Vishal. So today we'll be starting with Selenium tutorial from the beginning. So let me introduce myself first. I have total 7 plus years of experience in automation testing. I have worked with the many automation tools like Selenium and then rest assured and uh, other Gatling or other performance related tools and all those things. So today we'll be starting with some very basic stuff related to Selenium. So how to set up Maven project and configure Selenium and run your first Selenium script. Okay, so I'm assuming that all of you know Java, okay, and like how to set up Java and how to set up Maven. Okay, so to set up Maven, not major things are required. Just download one zip file from the Google and uh, store in some any folder and just add one environment variable maven path, okay, maven home actually, and same thing goes for java home, right? Okay, so in maven the most important file is pom.xml. Here we configure everything, like, so you can see here we have to add dependencies and then plugins and other things we configure in this maven pom.xml file. Okay, so to work with Selenium, we have to uh, download Selenium dependency. Okay, so you can find a dependency in Maven repository. You just have to type in Maven Selenium dependency, this thing. Okay. Okay. So once you do that, it will take you to the repo. Okay, so here you can see that there are different versions. So this tutorial is for Selenium 4. Okay, so earlier there were Selenium 3. Now we got Selenium 4, and Selenium 4 has much more functionalities than Selenium 3, and it is they have somehow made it user friendly. Okay, so that's where we are now focusing on Selenium 4. So I selected 4.7.2 dependency. You can select 4.8 always, but I always go for one lesser version because it is stable, right? Okay, so added that dependency here. Again, we need a Chrome driver. Okay, so you can get it from here, this website, chromium driver dot sorry here chrome driver.chromium.org downloads. So, and before you download the Chrome driver, go to settings and click on about Google. Sorry, not what's new, about Google Chrome. Right, and here's see your version. Okay, so my version is 1095414. So you have to download that version only of Chrome driver, otherwise it won't work. Yeah, it will work in some cases, but it will throw some error, or it won't load uh, page properly. Okay, that issues might come, so it's best to use proper version. So you can download this file and try to store the Chrome driver file in your project uh, path only, because it is easier. So when you push to git repo and some other person downloads it, so the path, you don't have to change the path based on his browser version. He can just change this chrome driver exe file, but otherwise he don't have to do much change, right? So so if you I hope you understand all these things. So let's start with the mm, first script. Yeah, so Selenium first script. Okay. Okay, so create a main method. Okay, so you can use any ID, okay, in this case, but I'm using this one, IntelliJ IDEA. Again, in IntelliJ IDEA, it is very easy to create an create a project. Sorry, I missed that part. Okay, you can go here, create a file, new project, and you can select paper archetype. Just give a name to your project, and select JDK version that you want to use. Here I used 1.8 as JDK. You can go for Java 11 or the 11 as well, but I'm okay with this part because I'm using OpenJDK. The next thing is you can directly go and click on create. It will create a project, or you can use archetype. Okay, I use this quick start archetype because it will create all the project structure and everything automatically. So I don't have to go and create that. Okay, once you click on create, it will create this project structure. Okay, then pom.xml everything, and in pom.xml you can add Maven Selenium dependency, and you are good to go. Yeah, so I created one main method, and let me create one other method, public static void test script, right? Okay, and in this method we'll write the logic and code. So always try to use another method to write logic and everything. Don't write anything in the main method. Ideally main method should be kept for calling purposes. Okay, so as per the Java structure and convention, everybody uses different methods to write logic and everything, and main method is just normally used for the calling purposes. Okay, so to work with Selenium, we have to create a uh, uh, object of WebDriver. So okay, WebDriver is the interface again. Okay, and it the WebDriver interface implemented by many Chrome driver, then IE driver, then Edge, and then Safari, all those things. Okay, based on your requirement. So in this case, like we will be using Chrome driver. So I am creating object of Chrome driver, right? Why this rich? Okay, so once you created object of Chrome diver, before that you have to so as you can see, we have downloaded Chrome diver exe, right? So we have to set path for that. Okay, driver dot Chrome dot driver, right? And let we can copy it from directly here. Where it is, copy. Yeah, it is copying the path. Here, copy path. We don't want absolute path because it is very big. Just copy path from content root, and just use system dot get property, use user dot directory, and the path that we copied. Yeah, and here Chrome driver, Chrome driver dot exe. Yeah, semicolon. Yeah, slash. Okay, so, now we can go ahead and call the URL. So for just for example, I will be calling google.com, and you can call any URL. Okay, sorry, and some configuration. So we can set size of windows, full screen, maximize, or depending on the custom position also you can set. I will be setting it to maximize, and some timeout. These are standard processes. So implicitly wait, then get script timeout. It is better to set this timeout because it won't fail the script. Okay, so that's why. And we have to get page terminal. Sorry, implicitly wait. Yeah, and in Selenium 3 we used to set the number like directly this thing number and then time unit, right? Like this time unit in seconds, minute, like this, microsecond, something like that. Yeah, we used to do. But in Selenium 4, this is removed, right? So we don't have to use, and they have simplified it. Just get object of duration and duration of seconds. Yeah. So how many seconds that you want to wait? We can just write 3 seconds or something. Why it is duration must be from somewhere else. Yeah, I think this one we want duration of second. Just write. No, this is no. So let's see the error actually. What is the error? Yeah, required type Java time duration. We are giving this thing. Okay. So let's remove this one. Okay. Duration. Java time. Yeah. Duration. Seconds. Yeah. 3. Again, the same issue. What? Achha, we are using this one. Let's remove this dependency. Then Java time we already have, right? Duration. Java time, yeah. Of seconds. We can use for 10 seconds just for. Okay, yeah. So now this is done. Let's go to next step. Yeah, so we launch the driver and we can print to just to check if title page, yeah, if it is launched. Sorry, driver dot get title, and yeah, that's it. And we can wait for, I guess, 3 seconds. That would should be enough. And yeah, I think add it try catch block better. I will add in method signature. Okay, and then close the drive. Okay, and let me call this method here. Test script. Again, I think we need to add a method signature. Okay, so let's just run it. Okay, the Chrome is launched. It's launched google.com. then it will wait for 3 seconds, and I think it will automatically close it. Yeah, 30 seconds, maybe 30,000. I have written 30 seconds maybe. So this is the title of page that we have printed using driver.get title method. I think it will wait for 30 seconds and it will close the browser. Okay, it is okay. So this is uh, all about the setup and the how to work with Selenium 4 and how to write a basic, very basic program on Selenium 4. Okay, so that's it for this session, guys. Please try and like or subscribe this video and channel, and I guess thank you very much.